Hi, Mungai Kihara here. Welcome back to African Real Estates. Today we are at Urban Oasis, Lavington. This is a residence in Nairobi containing of 216 apartments of 1, 2 and 3 bedrooms. The print area is 105 square meters for the 2 bedroom, 125 square meters for the 3 bedrooms, and 205 square meters for the 4 bedroom. The prices starts from 12 million for the 2 bedrooms, 13 million for the 3 bedrooms, and 20 million for the 4 bedrooms. The residence comes with several amenities, including a swimming pool, a clubhouse, a kids play area, and a gym. But before you swipe your credit cards, let me show you one of the 4-bedroom apartments. From the entrance, you are welcomed by this beautiful foyer, and here you have a beautiful storage that comes with a chrome-plated sculpture. On the opposite side, you have a mini table for your artwork, and you have a bigger space for 1 or 2 plants. The living room of this apartment is here, and the kitchen is on the opposite side and the dining area. We'll start with this. The living room is big enough for your family, and its beauty is magnified by this wall that acts as the focal point of this unit. This space is where you do your electronics and your sound systems. Each unit comes with a similar crystal ceiling lamp, and the living room opens to this big balcony. From here, you enjoy the serenity of Urban Oasis, the beauty of Lavington, and the cold breeze from Gong Hills. This balcony is big such that you can use it for your greenery like this one, or you can put a swing chair or a mini bar here for your comfort. Let's get back inside. From the living room, this is the dining area of this unit. From here, you will enjoy your meals as you enjoy the good views. This dining area comes with this storage that can be used for your cutlery or your favorite book. A few minutes ago, I was just reading this book called The Architecture of the 20th Century. Interesting. Before I show you the wine cellar, just have a look at this light fixture. Very beautiful. On the opposite side, you have the wine cellar, maybe for your drinks or your favorite wine. This is the kitchen of this unit, and it comes with this space here that is set aside for your refrigerator. Next to me, you have a space that is set aside for your dry foods. The kitchen comes with upper and lower cabinets, and it comes with dark granite countertops all over. Below here, you have your oven. Next to me, you have your cooking stove, and it comes with an induction cooktop. This is the sink area, and it's a double sink that comes with a tilting faucet that doubles as a pot filler. This door leads to the employee quarters and the laundry area. Just come. This is the employee quarters, and it comes with a mini bed and its closet here. The employee quarters comes with a separate access door. The laundry area is on the opposite side. I'll show you that. Before I show you the laundry area, this is the employee bathroom. The laundry area is big enough for your family, and it comes with a socket for your laundry machine and access to hot water and cold water taps. Let's get back inside. From the laundry area, this is the hallway that leads to the 4 bedrooms. Just follow me. Here you have the first bedroom. The second and the third bedrooms are here. And on my right hand side, you have the primary bedrooms. Before I show you the first bedroom, I'll show you the common washroom. The shared washroom comes with a vanity setup here and a shower cubicle. The washroom also comes with all the other showering amenities, and it's very beautiful. Let's get to the first bedroom. The first bedroom doubles as the guest bedroom. This is the only bedroom that does not come ensuite. All the bedrooms in this unit come with a wooden parquet floors and sliding wardrobes. Just have a look. You have a big space here for your clothes, and on the other side you have a space for your shoes and 2 drawers. I'll show you the second bedroom. At the entrance of the second bedroom, you have its bathroom. This bathroom comes with the water closet here, a shower cubicle, and on the opposite side, you have a vanity setup. Above it, you have the mirror that comes with a secret compartment behind it. This bedroom is big enough to fit a 4x6 bed like this one or a 6x6 bed. The wardrobe of the bedroom is here, and you have this as the source of your natural light. Let me show you the third bedroom. The third bedroom is slightly bigger than the 2 bedrooms that we just visited. Its bathroom is here and the wardrobe is here. The lighting of this bedroom is perfect and the views are splendid. This room can fit a 4x6 bed like this one or a bigger bed. Let me show you the bathroom. The bathroom is similar to the others that we just saw. The only difference is that this one has a bigger shower cubicle. I'll take you to the primary bedroom. This is the biggest of all the bedrooms, and you have this space that is big enough to fit a 5x6 bed like this one or a 6x6 bed. This bedroom comes with 2 closets. You have a sliding wardrobe here and a walk-in closet on the far end. This bedroom comes with floor to ceiling windows that give you maximum natural lighting and beautiful views. The best thing about this bedroom is that it faces the east, and it's very easy for you to enjoy the morning sunshine. I'll show you the walk-in closet at the primary bathroom. Before that, you have a sink here and a mirror. This is the walk-in closet, though it's not that big, but I like how it's finished with dark colors. This is the primary bathroom. The bathroom comes with a bathtub, a water closet, and all the other showering amenities. That's all about this unit. That is the end of the tour, and you are free to purchase any of the units. Our contacts are in the first comment, and I'll see you in the next video.